friends, welcome to my X journey. So it's Mrs. White again, and obviously today I'm doing a little unboxing videos, but before I do that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channels, please consider to subscribe. And this platform talks all things Hermes, obviously, and if you've been following me, you know I talks about not only unboxing videos but also some Hermes shopping strategies, some shopping flaws at Hermes, and occasionally I talks about Chanel. And recently I'm actually also eyeing on a Louis Vuitton bag, which is a little unusual. So if you like any of these topics, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So by the way, what do you guys think about my new necklace? So if you have not yet watched the unboxing videos, I put a link above and down below in my description box. Before I do anything, I have a questions for you all. So recently I've been considering changing my channel's name, and if you've been following me on my Instagram's name is Mrs. Y X Journey. So it's a little different than my YouTube channel name, my X Journey. So please comment below and let me know if I should keep my YouTube channel name as my X Journey, or you think it's a better idea that, you know, I should just align with my Instagram account. So please watch until the end of the videos because I do have a little sneak peek for everyone. It's a little surprise. And yeah, without further ado, now let's do the unboxing. Okay, so obviously this item was shipped to me. I did went to my SA and, you know, she had to order it through the website, and it was the last piece, she said. So let's show you guys. So here's the receipt. It's inside, and this is usually the packing, how they usually This is a little strange. It doesn't seem to fit the box because I think it's a little too small, maybe. Anyways, can you guys guess what this piece is? And if you know or you take a guess, please feel free to comment below and see if you're right. Anyways, I always love the ribbon as usual. And let me just do it real quick. Ooh. Ta-da! Yes, so this is the Bolide travel case, and I think it's canvas, and it's blue with the DETOURED colors, and there's another, you know, more creamy color, and here has the lambskin lining, which is really nice. So I will explain to you guys why I decided to get this piece, but let me just open it to show you guys how the interior looks like. It's actually pretty spacious, and there's another pocket. So I guess if this is for the beach, because it's under the bath and beach category, so I assume, you know, you can take this piece to, you can put like a card or two just to put it in here, and then, you know, the rest I will show you guys what I would bring. No, that I will put it in this case. So here's how the interior looks like, and there's a little pocket at the back. And so here's the Hermes tag, and it's made in France. So this is 100% cotton, and then 40%. So this is like 100% cotton, and then you can see the rest. So I didn't know it actually exists, like with these two hooks. I guess maybe I could do like a crossbody wear. I don't know. So look at the zipper here. It has the leather, and also if you look closely, it also say Hermes. And then when you look at the back here, yeah, it also say Hermes. So it's double-sided, which is very nice. And The material overall, it feels very good. It's actually a little bit like a cushion feel, a little bit. So I feel like it can protect everything that's in there, which is cool. So now the question is, why did I decide to buy this travel case? Is it a essential item for me? Did I just make an impulsive purchase? But you guys know me, I don't buy anything that I don't need or I don't want or I don't like. I usually purchase stuff that, you know, I would use, that I really like. So if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys know I have lots of business trips for work. So recently I'm thinking, you know, I need a little bigger travel case and with a nice materials, and I think Hermes have done a really good job. I never seen it in person. I technically just saw it online. Actually, my husband found it and then say, maybe I should get this. And I look at the colors and everything. They used to have 3 different colors on the website. The one with the green, and then the one with orange, and the one with the blue. And I think the blue with the etude and the color combination looks so much better than the other 2 colors combination. So I decided to pick this one. And so for the dimension, if I haven't mentioned, the length is 10 inches, and with the height it's about 7 inches, and the width is 4 inches. Okay, just for your reference, if you guys ever find this, you know, bullied travel case, you guys can imagine, you know, how it would look like in real life. So let me share with you what I would usually let me share with you what I'm thinking of bringing for my next business trip, because the day I'm filming this video, I'm actually having another business trip coming up in 2 days. So let me show you guys what I usually would bring. So first of all, I will bring this Clinique foundation powder. I really like this one. This is a 20 invisible blend. It actually helped me blend with my foundation, which is really nice. I just put it on top of my regular liquid foundation. I like to use the Giorgio Armani luminous silk foundation. It's just so much lighter, and it actually can cover my face. So usually I will use this and then use the Clinique powder to cover it. And then I've been using this Neo Stratter serum right after I clean my face. So I'll bring this, and then also this face cream also. And usually when I go for a business trip, even though hotels do provide you with shampoo and conditioner, but with my stylist recommendations, I like to use this Melbourne Salon exclusive brand, because I think you can only buy it from Salon. At least that's what my stylist told me. So I actually would bring my own shampoo and conditioner to keep my hair nice. Okay. So another thing I will bring is this Hermès lipsticks. It's number 42, which is the Rose Massacre. So it's like a rouge color. Let me show you guys how it looks like inside if you guys are thinking about getting the Hermès lipsticks. So this is the color. Okay. And this is the color. So, okay. Yeah, it's a magnetic closing, which is I love. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put it back to this little case. And of course some vitamins. And this, my travel Hermès perfume that I like. Just put it in here. Oh, so for the Clinique powder, it actually comes with a brush. So I will also bring that also. And last but not least, I have to bring this vitamin, the melatonin, because, you know, with all the jet lags and everything, this really helps me sleep a lot. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and I still have a lot of space. The only thing I didn't put in there to show you guys is my toothbrush and my toothpaste, but those are my personal items. So let me tell you guys the price for this when I purchased. And the price for this was, so this is $455 plus tax and depending on where you are. And yes, this sounds pretty costly, but considering I'll be doing lots of business trip like almost every week or every other week, so it's so worth it that, you know, I can carry something that's nice with me and, you know, really able to carry all my stuff without, you know, changing the shape. It really fits into my luggage. And also considering there's 2 hoops on the side, and it just gets me thinking I can probably wear it in a different way. Instead of just a travel pouch, I can carry it as a bag. Please comment below, let me know if I should, you know, really get a chain or like a strap to make it like a crossbody bag. You know, if you've tried it with Semoga, maybe, I don't know. I've been hearing a lot of things about Semoga, that they do a lot of nice chain and or like a nice strap. So let me know and maybe I will consider it. And if I do use it like that, it's so much worth for the price. Don't you agree? Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. And so actually the day I'm filming this is actually the night before I'm going to get my special order bag. So tomorrow I'm actually going to, you know, look through some choices and see to decide my special order bag. I mean, I'm a little nervous. I don't know about you guys, but so for my next videos or my future videos, I will mention about how I got offer for the special order bag. It was a blank. It was a surprise, I'm telling you guys. There's a lot of things to talk about. And so the first part of this special order bag video will be about how I got the offer, what was my purchase history, and for the second video, I'm gonna do the experience of doing the a la carte, and third video will be me unboxing the special order bag. So you guys gotta follow me doing this whole entire journey. So you have to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, and hit the bell notification so then you won't miss that journey with me. I'm so excited and I'm pretty much speechless talking about a special order bag. You have no idea. When I got the text, it was like mind-blowing. It was not on my radar at all. Like, it's just not, right? So if you're with me and you want to experience with me, well, like I said, subscribed, and you can follow me on Instagram. You know, I will probably post here and there. Yeah, feel free to comment, you know, with all your love. So if you guys like today's video, please hit the like button, give me a big thumbs up, okay? So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.